is the use of telephone, cell phone, computer, or any electronic gadget that will enable anyone as a patient to communicate with their physicians for the purpose of diagnosis, treatment, management, education, and follow-up care when a face-to-face consultation with a physician is not possible.
A pleasant day to each and one of you, especially sa ating special guest para sa ating meeting ngayon. Let's greet Dr. Wesson Pius A. Espiritu. Good afternoon, good day po, Doc. Let me introduce myself. My name is John Mico A. Gutierrez, leader in of Group 5 in the subject of Biology 2 under our instructor of this project, Sir Paulo Llanera. Let me introduce Dr. Espiritu, my assistant leader, and my members. My assistant leader is si Noah Santos po.
Good day po, Doc.
My members, Cedric James Lagutin,
Good day po, Doc.
John Oldesel Kim po,
Good day po, Doc.
and Christian Paul de la Cruz.
Good day po, Doc.
So, Doc Espiritu, before po kami magtanong about sa agenda namin, pwede po ba namin kayo matanong ng background information about po sa inyo?
Okay, I'm Dr. Wesson Paisa Espiritu. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I studied medicine sa Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela. And then I took up my orthopedic residency training in Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center. And then I finished my subspecialty training in sports medicine in Queen Mary Hospital, University of Hong Kong. That's
Okay
it.
po. Doc, ano po, may tanong po. How many years po ba kayo bago po maging orthopedic?
You need 4 years of pre-med course plus 5 years of medicine. That's 9 plus 4 years of orthopedic surgery training. So that's 13 plus more or less 1 year of subspecialty training. So ilan na yun? 14? 15?
40 to
15.
50.
14 years.
Thank you po, Doc.
Doc, ask ko lang po, nung nag-aral po ba kayo ng college, how much po yung estimate na expense nyo overall before po kayo makagraduate?
Mahirap na tanong ngayon. Hindi ko na matandaan kung magkano yung tuition fee nung panahon ko eh. So,
Pero mahal po talaga.
mahal ba? Hindi ko alam sa magulang ko.
Okay po, thank you po.
Ang mahal, medicine is mahal. So, yun yung mahal, medicine. So, yun sa college, I think, sa ano lang, in the usual gastos.
Okay, thank you po.
Doc, ako rin po may tanong. Ba't niyo po napili maging orthopedic doctor po?
Because of all the system, no, digestive system, respiratory system, my favorite system sa anatomy is musculoskeletal system. And orthopedic surgery deals with diseases of the musculoskeletal system.
Okay po, Doc. Thank you po.
Doc, last question po before natin itakil yung sakit po. In your own opinion po ba, mahirap po bang pagdodoktor?
Hindi. As long as gusto mo maging doktor, hindi siya mahirap. As long as gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi siya mahirap.
Okay. So, Doc, nais po namin itanong po sa inyo ay patungkol po sa sakit na rickets. Doc, pwede niyo po bang i-explain or ibigay niyo po kung ano po yung description ng sakit na rickets?
Okay, when you say rickets, this is usually seen in pediatric patients sa mga bata, no, wherein there is deficiency of vitamin D, and deficiency of vitamin D will lead to deficiency ng calcium tsaka ng phosphorus, no. And we know that yung calcium is yung nagpapatibay ng bones. So if you have decreased vitamin D, you have decreased calcium, you will have decreased strength ng bones. And symptoms of rickets will follow because of that.
Thank you po, Doc.
Doc, meron po bang history yung rickets po? Pwede niyo po ba explain po sa amin?
Paanong history? History of the disease?
Yes po.
Okay, so yung rickets, before, I forgot the specific name of the one who coined the term rickets, no? Pero before kasi, they noticed that certain ethnic groups, especially yung mga may itim, they have these common symptoms, no, wherein masasakit yung mga buto ng mga bata, maliliit yung growth ng mga bata, mabilis mabalian yung mga bata. And then napansin nila yon on a certain ethnic group, and then kinompare nila ano yung same dun sa mga bata na yun, bakit pare-parehas ng symptoms. And then they found out na the problem pala is the deficiency of vitamin D. Now, why on those specific ethnic group? Kasi kapag maitim yung skin, yung sun rays, sunlight that will activate vitamin D, mababa. Kaya mababa rin yung vitamin D. So they noticed the similarities. Kaya they concluded that there is a certain disease and they named it rickets. But the specific person that coined the name rickets, I forgot.
Okay po, thank you po, Doc.
Doc, ano po? Ano pong edad yung, tas kasarian po yung ano po? Tas cultural po ang pinaka-apektado po ng sakit na rickets po.
Cultural, common siya sa mga dark-skinned individual. Sa age group, common siya sa pediatric age group, meaning less than 18 years old. Ano pa yung isang tanong mo ulit? Sa kung males and females, there are some researches saying na common naman siya, no, both males and females, while other papers stated na mas common daw siya sa males.
Thank you po, Doc.
Ako naman po, Doc. Ask ko lang po. Ano po yung mga primary symptoms ng mga taong may rickets?
Usually children presents with bone pain, kaya siya nagbo-bone pain kasi nga mababa yung calcium, so mahina yung bone. It presents with stunted growth, mas maliliit sila, and that's because again, hindi healthy yung bones. Patients presents with bone fragility, ibig sabihin mabilis magkaroon ng fracture. And all of these symptoms is because of the decreased level of calcium or vitamin D.
Ganun po ba? Thank you po.
Doc, paano po ba nakaka-disrupt ang rickets sa normal na pagpa-function po ng katawan, Doc?
You need kasi vitamin D. There are many uses of vitamin D, no? Pero one of the main purpose ng vitamin D kasi is to strengthen yung bone indirectly. No, kasi vitamin D will help you absorb calcium. So kung mababa yung vitamin D mo, mababa din yung absorption mo ng calcium. So kung mababa yung calcium, mababa din yung strength ng bones. Kung mababa yung strength ng bones, so yun yung mga symptoms yung sinabi ko kanina.
Doc, paano po, may cure po ba sa rickets po? And if wala po, paano po ba siya may iwasan?
Rickets can be, we are talking about rickets, rickets in general, no? There are many types of rickets kasi, no? Merong mga hyperfamilial, basta iba-ibang klase, no? Pero if we are talking about rickets in general, wherein there's deficiency of vitamin D, so the treatment is provision of vitamin D, no? Merong mga certain recommendation kung gaano karaming vitamin D and calcium supplementation. Now, kung we are treating the patient late, may mga symptoms na, may mga certain surgical methods to use to treat or to correct yung mga deformity na resulting from the rickets.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you
Curious
po.
lang po. Curious lang po, Doc. Pwede niyo po bang ipaliwanag, Doc, ang mga cause po or mga risk factor ng rickets?
So yun, no? So risk factor is number 1, dark skin. Risk factor also is kapag inadequate vitamin D sa diet. Another risk is pag insufficient exposure to sunlight. Some causes naman is genetics, wherein the body cannot process vitamin D, or some cannot produce vitamin D, no? So yun yung mga common na risk factors.
Thank you po, Doc.
Doc, can I ask po, paano po ba nakaka-apekto ang rickets sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay ng isang tao na meron po nito?
Of course, if you have rickets, you have pain. If you have pain, you cannot function well. If you have weak bones, the patient cannot do normal activities ng daily living. So, yung mobility mo kasi, no, and functionality mo will be affected if you have rickets, as well as yung growth potential.
Doc, last question po namin, Doc. May estimate po ba tayo kung ilang Pilipino po ang naapektuhan ng sakit na rickets po?
Sorry, I don't have the data, no? Hindi ako makapagbigay sa inyo ng number, baka makapagbigay ako ng mali. I don't have actually to be honest, I don't have the statistics to answer that question.
Okay po, Doc. Thank you po, Dr. Espiritu, sa pag-spend ng time sa pag-answer po sa mga question po namin tungkol sa sakit na rickets. And marami po kami nalaman tungkol po sa sakit na ito. Again, thank you po, Dr. Espiritu.
Thank you po,
Okay.
Doc.
Sige, mag-aaral kayo mabuti.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you po, Doc.
Oh,
Salamat po sa time.
Thank you po, Doc.
Okay, sige, God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
bye-bye po.
Bye-bye, Doc. Thank you po. Success tayo. Okay na.
Oh my God!
Okay na.